welcome back to the channel. This is an exciting day. So we are in my friend's truck and trailer right now. We are on the east side of Washington. It's just flat, as you guys can see out my window. It's just flat everywhere, farmland. Long drive, but we're picking up a car I've been looking for I don't know, like 8 years, 10 years. Ever since I saw one, I was like, you know, I wanted one. So started looking up, you know, how much they were and everything, and then I started figuring out they're really rare and you don't see them that for sale. And if they are for sale, they're on some classic website or a bring a trailer, and they go for, you know, quite a bit of money for me at least. So I'm super excited I found one. Obviously it's not running good. It's kind of poor condition, which is good for me, so I can afford it. So if you're not from this area, all this haze that you're seeing is actually smoke from forest fires. So we're about 20 minutes out and it is so smoky over here. I don't think the camera picks it up, but we went through a big batch of it and man, I felt like my eyes were stinging and I can smell it. Yeah, the camera doesn't get it. Like, you can see it far off in the distance. Oh man, it's so crazy. Like, I can smell it. I don't know, I'm super excited. It's so crazy. Can't believe I'm getting. Oh, I see it. I see it over there. Oh, I'm so stoked. Oh, nice open field. I get nervous driving this truck and trailer. Oh yes, pearl white. So sick. What's up, Ben, right?
You followed me.
Dude, yeah, I saw you coming. I was
shit.
like, oh yes.
Yeah.
I'm so excited, dude.
I'm happy.
I've been looking for so long,
yeah,
man.
I just followed your thing. It said it'd take like 8 years finding one of these.
Yeah.
They are hard to come by.
Oh my gosh.
Unless you have a buddy who's a crackhead for getting Audi.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, dude.
Whatever you need.
What was that?
Do whatever you want. I don't care.
I don't even know what to say right now because I can't believe I'm actually picking this up.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh, I'm so stoked for you.
So how did you, well, I know how you came by it, but like, how long did the guy have it before you got it?
He got it like in Colorado. Or no, not Colorado, North Dakota. So he works in the oil field.
Okay.
He basically works like a crackhead to get as much money as he can to buy Audis and Volkswagens.
Gotcha.
And to buy Audis and Volkswagen parts. And I just happened to, I was working at Verizon at the time, and I was working with his girlfriend. And he came in a couple times and he noticed that I was driving Audis and stuff. And we started talking a bit, and then I lived over there, and he's like, hey, you want to stay at my place? I'll do free rent if you do maintenance on my vehicles. And I'm like, oh shoot, yeah, that's perfect deal. So I go up there, and I wasn't expecting 130 cars.
Yeah.
And then I saw these, and I'm like, what even are these things?
Yeah.
He takes me around, and he's got a Tornado Red one, or Tornado, whatever. And then he's got 2 other white coupes.
Yes. So, I mean, it's pretty, pretty rough, but.
Yeah.
So did he have it like this, or?
Yeah, I've realistically not drove it too much besides like back and forth.
Oh my gosh. Bro.
Praying man.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I just looked down and this was on my shoulder. We don't have those over there. That just freaked me out so bad.
Yeah, that's the little thing off Kung Fu Panda.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. I know. Yeah. Oh, dude.
But yeah, like he had been, Baldy is a rough road, and that's how the lower part of the bumper got removed.
Oh, okay, got you.
And he got it with this dent in it, right back here. And I had a body guy look at it he does really good work, and he said this part is not that bad at all. Okay. And then he taped it with this weird fancy auto body tape.
Yep.
And so I left it there.
Yeah. It's good though. Like I can't afford it. If it wasn't like this, I couldn't afford it, you know? So this is fine. This is why I like cars, because I don't want them already done and already You know, like I like doing like winter projects and stuff. So what's the issue it's having right now?
Right now, I drove it from here to Medford, Oregon to go visit my father, and then drove it back. And the way back, it was rough. It was like 14 hours back.
Jeez.
But this car did phenomenal the whole time, passing people. And then I got home, and basically it wasn't starting after it got to warm. Once it got too temp, it wasn't restarting.
Okay.
But once it cooled that back down, it'd start right up. So I was thinking the Hall sender.
Okay.
And the Hall sender apparently is built into the distributor on these.
Okay.
And I don't know if you've ever looked to find distributors for these.
No.
Not.
I know these are rare and parts even harder to find. I mean, that's why this is going to be, this is not like a one winter short project, because the stuff is expensive for this thing. So it's going to be, you know, little by little getting stuff. And I've never had a car that I couldn't just really go to the junkyard or pick and pull to get parts. So I've been wanting one of these though, you know, for so long, and I know it's going to be a long, you know, process. Because like, dude, I can't spend, you know, $1,000 on like one part. These things are expensive, dude.
Right. And then the distributor I found from a dealer, from another guy in Germany who takes them, rebuilds them, and everything. And this distributor is modified. It's got a brass gear instead of a poly.
Okay.
Gear.
Yep. I've still got a lot to learn. I was on the computer just reading. I still got a lot.
20 valve org site, best site for this thing.
Yeah, that's where I was on.
And then I don't know if you can tell. See, the hood's a different color.
Yeah, I was looking at that. That looks like an S4 hood or something.
This is a B3 with a
B4
okay.
Hood. The 7A.
And I just replaced this bad boy, so I don't have to hold it up in my neck.
Dude, I always had. I still have cars. I put stuff in there.
Yeah, I have a half a Q stick that I use.
Yeah. The 7A.
But yeah, here's the distributor right here, brand spanking new.
First, like I just want to, you know, get it going and then probably fix up the outside a little bit. But dude, like, what am I? If I want to get like an S2 bumper or something, dude, that's so expensive.
Yeah, RS2s, so they're the ones you want to get.
Dude.
But yeah, go on to Bennett, that other site I sent you.
Yeah.
They've got used parts for sale all the time.
Okay.
But eBay is the place to order stuff from. I know it sounds weird, but like they've got S2 instead of RS2 ones. They're more, I don't know, blocky.
Yeah.
More 80s.
I do. I like the blocky style, you know. So.
And you can find those for $190 on eBay.
Oh, that's not that bad.
And the fitment is not that bad at all.
Oh, good. Okay.
My buddy that I got this from, he has 3 or 4 of eBay ones put on his, and you couldn't tell the difference.
Perfect. That's all. I'm all about 10 feet away. If it looks good 10 feet, I'm fine.
Yeah.
So we had to adjust the distributor a little bit, and then it fired right up. Motor mounts. Dude, awesome.
Yeah, I felt so bad that it wasn't running, and I ran out here and I was like, let's get this thing going.
Dude, heck yeah. Sweet, I'll get the money, let's load this thing up.
First time moving it.
Isn't that great?
Got it on. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for this thing. So sweet. A lot of work, but I'm super excited. Woo! We got it! We are rolling. So excited. I know it looks a little rough, but I got it for a good deal. Like if this wasn't, you know, if this didn't look rough, like there's no way I can afford this car. So I got it. Great deal. I know it looks rough, but I cannot wait to, you know, dive into this thing slowly. Because this car is rare. The parts are hard to find. You have to get them from Germany, Europe. I mean, it's gonna be awesome though. This road is terrible. Ben, thank you so much. Thank you so much for declining other offers. Thank you for taking mine. Can't wait to get on this car. And you know, that it kind of goes to show, like, if you're, you know, a type of person that you just, you know, I don't know, don't respect cars, I feel like you'll meet other people with, you know, special cars that they don't want to give them to you because, or they don't want to sell them to you because, like, they understand that you don't appreciate, you know, certain things. And, you know, that's, I do that sometimes. I look at people's profiles and everything. That's exactly what he did. He checked me out, and I have this car. So excited. I cannot believe I have a Coupe Quattro right now. About 5.5 hour drive home, long ways. I'm hungry, I gotta get some food. I need some diesel. So yeah, I'm hoping to pull over and I'm gonna check the straps and everything. I am sweating it right now. If you guys can see the diesel, oh my gosh. I've got 3.2 miles to go and it's like almost in the red. Like I didn't want to stop at this small diesel. And there's a Love's coming up. I'm trying to get to that so I can stop, check the car out. Oh, it just came on. My low fuel just came on. Oh my gosh, dude, I am so wetting it. I'm going uphill, pulling this car. Dude, the diesel, I swear I can like see it going down. Got 2.6 miles. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it, but man, I was so wetting it there for a while. Oh, that car. I love looking at it in the mirror. Wind noise. Oh, it's so windy. It's so hot. Look at that thing. I cannot believe I have that car. So crazy.